to keep a mind. See, this is substitute therapy. So you have to substitute that activity which gives you happiness, which releases dopamine. What do psychiatrists do? They give you medicines to control the dopamine release. They will make you sleep. They will make your brain numb.
When the night was closing.
I was from a complete civil background, so I did not know what army is exactly about. But I knew, yes, I can do it because that enthusiasm is only, that is the thing you need. And it was a tough part. Training was good, very interesting, enthusiastic, ragda. A lot of time you don't get time to sleep, but all the time you are in uniform. One type, there are 4-5 types of uniform you are changing the whole time. And then sometimes you are rushing for the firefighting, you are rushing for the weapon cleaning, drill, PT, runs, the camps, lectures. Then during auditorium, movies, some movies are also shown. You are sleeping during the time of the lectures because you are so tired, you don't have time to sleep otherwise. But it really changes you. From a civilian, I became an officer. My attitude changed, my aptitude changed. I became more confident in my life. I knew this, I can handle a lot of things in life. That gave me more confidence to move towards a better living, towards for aspiring people, that they can also do so many things in lives. This is how I ended up becoming an army officer. Then I went for my para probation. I was the first woman officer in ASC, Army Service Corps. There are different corps and organizations in army. So I was based on my qualification, I was a part of Army Service Corps. There is electrical mechanical engineers, there are engineering corps. The women are not sent to infantry, so these are the services women are sent to. Ordnance Corps is there, judicial administrator, this advocate general is there, that is the law, and intelligence corps is there. So many signals are there. I went to ASC, and in ASC I was the first lady officer to do the para probation, the paratroopers probation. It's a very tough probation. You are really they check your mental strength. I was happy to be a part of it. But then again, after almost 7 years of service, that time the lady officers would serve for around 10 years only. Now it has become a permanent commission. But during that time, I joined in 96 and I took a premature retirement 2003 because my around 2 years plus or around 3 years were only left for service, and my husband is also in army. Though his posting would not be managed with my posting all the time. Exactly. I always tell people they make movies on the army officers and soldiers. They should make movies on the families. But the families don't. Because all the time we are, living with children, looking after them. Most of the times, husbands are busy. They try to contribute. I'm not saying they don't contribute. The timings are so hectic. The tours, it's a touring job also. As you grow in service, the responsibilities are also increasing. You have to look after your men, your office. So basically, what we are taught in academy, your country comes, your nation comes first. Serve your country first. You come later. You got it? So this is what it is inculcated in our manner, in our thoughts, that yes, whatever time we are called, we have to go to the office because we are serving the nation, directly or indirectly. Your family can be taken care of. Take care of it. We are not saying no, but again, it is a secondary issue, but we do take care of a family. It was a turning point, it's a learning phase in my life. जो होता है ना, बोलते हैं ठीक के लिए होता है. You are made to fail sometime by the destiny बोलो या अपने कर्मास बोलो. I believe in this. But वो जैसे Nelson Mandela said, I never give up, I never fail, I either win or I learn. तो या तो हम जीतते हैं या हम सीखते हैं, हम हारते नहीं हैं, ये याद रखना. तो जब when I went for para probation is for 28 working days. During that period, I think 5th or 6th day it was in the first week of probation only. We were supposed to jump, and a lot of jumpings and everything is karate हैं यहाँ height से almost by jump. You can see the pelmet यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो replay rod. Almost from that height we were made to jump, and we were wearing DMS boots, combat dress and DMS boots में आप POC है आगरा में, battle obstacle course, the big course, the big ground, उसमें tire के through and all these. You forget that you're a women officer, आप lady हो कि man हो, सब हो जाओ, you have to do along with some men, some जवान सबके साथ. तो when I jumped from here, कुछ jumps तो अच्छे से हो गए, कर दिया. One odd day, जब I don't remember, 98, 97 की बात है. I was with hardly 1 year of service that time. I was a lieutenant only. I just landed in such a manner, जब मैं नीचे धम से नीचे मैंने कूदा, I twisted my foot. तो मुझे पता है, I never had the experience of fracture in my foot. I never knew. तो आई रैन इट वाज पेनिंग मैंने कहा छोड़ो पेन क्या शायद कुछ मुड़ गया ना कुछ स्प्रेन होगा कोई बात है आई केप्ट रनिंग व्हेन आई केम बैक टू माय रूम I could not open my DMS boot. DMS boots are slightly tight and they are with some ankle length. I just I opened my shoelaces. I could not take out my foot from the DMS boot. You can imagine. It was so swollen. In the meantime, आधा घंटा या कुछ ऊपर हो चुका था. It had swollen by that. It was totally red and blue. So I was really surprised and scared. I was quite young. उस टाइम पे 24-25 साल भी नहीं था एज तो थोड़ा सा आपको एक्सपीरियंस भी कम होता है. When I took out my foot from the shoe, I was really scared. What is this now? It has swollen. So then my instructor and the others told me नहीं कि साहब ये तो this is a I think fracture है आपको उधर MH में जाना पड़ेगा. And I knew कि if I go to MH and if it is discovered a fracture, they will take the X-ray. They will definitely conclude it's a fracture because it was totally different. This foot, left foot was different and right was totally different. It was swollen. So I knew what are the repercussions. I said no, I will not go to the MH. Then my probation officer called me. I was limping with one foot. It was paining badly. So he told me, Purva, you will not limp. Either if you limp, you fill the NPV, that is not para volunteer certificate, and you just write. You're no more into a probation. You are NPV. You have a volunteer to step out. You go back to RTU kar denge. You will be sent back to return back to unit. I said no, sir. I'll not go back. I have come here with a mission. I will complete the probation. He said then okay, fine. You will not limp. करना है तो लिम्प नहीं करना. मैंने कहा ओके डन. डोंट इमेजिन गीतांजलि उस जमाने में प्रूफेंस यूज्ड टू कम. अभी तो कॉम्प्लीफ्लैम वगैरह नाम चेंज हो गए. पिंक कलर का गोली वो स्ट्रिप पे भी नहीं आती थी. वो आपको पुड़िया बना के दे यूज्ड टू क्योंकि पुड़िया में एमएच में गोलियां. तो दोस गोलीज आई यूज्ड टू टेक 2:30 इन द मॉर्निंग 3:30 इन द मॉर्निंग. रूट मार्चेस होते थे 8 किलोमीटर पिट्टू एंड एवरीथिंग. पूरा भारी सब गन वन अपना रैपिड लेके पिट्टू बॉटल एवरीथिंग. उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं ध्यान रहता. एक वो जुनून होता है ना जो फील की करना है. हेल्थ को तो बाद में एज इट हो कुछ हो यू कैन रियली यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स लेटर ऑन. Yes, it's a good question. In fact, I had no background of psychiatry. In fact, later, naturally, my father he is no more. I lost my father in 1984. He died of pancreatic cancer. I was in 7th standard that time, and we are 3 sisters. My mother grew us up. So when maybe that is maybe it's flowing in my blood from him only. He was a senior psychologist also. When I was carrying my child in my womb, my sister gave me a book on parenting. So I had taken voluntary retirement by that time. I was taking rest at home because a lot of rest was required for carrying my during the pregnancy. So I used to read a lot of books. I was fond of reading. So she gave me a book on parenting, and during that parenting thing, Gitanjali, it really transformed me. I knew there are so many things one has to do as a mother. One should know as a mother, and then you should know what the child is going through, what you are going through. It is better to understand people. This phase, this change in my body and in my mind developed me, brought me closer to the subject psychology. And then when like my son was born, after that, while sitting at home, because I wanted to give a few years of foundation years, then I joined APS Bhuj. After when he was in 1st standard, तब मैं घर से निकली 4-5 साल. When he was 5-year-old, then he joined class 1, and I was I just started APS Bhuj. From there, the journey started. So then I did the courses in psychology. And it's been now 12 years that I'm into this field now. To keep our mind, see, this is substitute therapy. So you have to substitute that activity which gives you happiness, which releases dopamine. What do psychiatrists do? They give you medicines to control the dopamine release. They will make you sleep. They will make your brain numb so that you are sleeping. You are not into the person doesn't become a schizophrenic or hallucinations. It doesn't start feeling that way. These are through medications. But as far as therapy is concerned, psychological or the therapy approach, counseling is approach, I would like to say, substitute that. Focus on, for example, you want to have a good body. Focus that 2 hours of gaming. Out of that, 1 hour I will spend in gymming, or maybe I'll do 100 squats in a day, 100 pull-ups, push-ups. Set a target. Gradually, do 20 today, do 20 tomorrow. In a week's time, you graduate to 40, 50. You're a young boy, you can easily you can reach the level of even 500 push-ups and pull-ups also. Pull-ups are difficult to do, but push-ups. Squats. This way, burpees. Set a target.